Welcome back to another episode of Leftover Guys. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot. I'm so used to this. So recently in Singapore, bubble tea is no longer an essential service. So it has died, along with Kim Jong-un. So on this very special stay-home episode, guess what we're gonna make today, producer?
Maybe some bubble tea?
Yeah, we're gonna make some bubble tea. Let's just get this over and done with, okay? Why, man? Everybody's making bubble tea, man. Why we gotta make bubble tea? So today we're gonna make a very special variation of a Leftover Guys bubble tea with brown sugar. So we're gonna make some brown sugar boba, which is the tapioca pearls that you chew in your mouth. And we're gonna top it off with some beautiful milk froth, and we're gonna sprinkle some brown sugar on it. Brown sugar! You make me feel so fine. Then we're gonna caramelize it with a blowtorch. So if you guys are fans of bubble tea, this is the recipe for you. This is gonna give you diabetes, it's gonna send you to the hospital, amputate your leg, and this thing will kill you faster than COVID-19. Hope you guys enjoy every day.
Enjoy.
It's difficult to make boba. Many people have tried and failed. But we here at Leftover Guys, we just wing it. Bro, I think it's done, man. So right now I'm kneading it, using up all that extra tapioca flour. Alright, so what you want to get is a nice consistency. Of course, it's better to wait until it's cooled down, but being the hero and the awesome chef that I am, I'm gonna just take the heat like a real man, not like you pussies that wait for shit to cool down. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna do it when it's hot and sacrifice my hands. Look at that. Look at that shit, man. You how to knead the boba into something good, and you do this, and there you go, guys. So if you guys want to use this boba for the next few days, what you can do is you cling wrap it and keep it for the next day. Ta-da! So use the back of your knife, cut out those delicious small piece of boba. You want to make it as small as you can. Alright, so now next, what you do is you grab a little flour, you flour over your boba, and you give it flour mix, man. So when you put it into the boiling water, it's not gonna stick together and you get beautiful fresh boba. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in a bowl. So in like 10 minutes, the boba should be floating like that. You see? They're all floating, they're not sticking together. This means you're on your way to good shit. So keep it going for another 10 minutes and you have awesome boba. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna open a packet of Chinese tea. You can use any type of fragrant Chinese tea. We're just gonna use some pu'er tea leaves. Add some water in there, just a tiny bit. We want to infuse it into the milk. So as you can see, the boba is done, and we're gonna strain it. All this beautiful bouncy boba. So in the meantime, we're gonna make some brown sugar syrup. So just a dash of water in there, and of course brown sugar. So once you see the brown sugar syrup boiling, all right, turn it to low, get the boba in, the brown sugar syrup. Mmm, yummy, so sweet. We're gonna add some ice into a Boston shaker. If you guys have a shaker, you know, it'll be good. If you don't, then you can put it in a cup and stir it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna shake it. Look at that beautiful bit of froth. We're gonna add the boba in with the brown sugar syrup. What we're gonna do is you're gonna twirl it around the glass. Alright, make sure the sugar syrup hits every bit of that glass. Some of that beautiful milk, that ice cold milk. So our bubble tea is almost complete. What we're gonna do, we're gonna froth up some milk with a milk frother. So we're gonna froth some milk and we're gonna put it on top of the bubble tea. Alright, so the milk froth is done. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna get some of that froth on top. See that beautiful milk froth? What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna add some brown sugar on top. Lastly, I'm gonna finish it off by caramelizing the brown sugar on top. Of course, you need to put a bubble tea straw in. So we're gonna give it a try. All right. The boba is good, that's for sure. Milk tea, not bad. I give it a 5 out of 5. So if you guys like this video, it's just too chewy, man. So if you guys like this video, do remember to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. So that comes to the end of Leftover Guys, another awesome episode. And yeah, I hope this lockdown finishes soon and everybody can get back to their daily lives. But in the meantime, guys, stay safe, mask up, and remember to wash your hands, don't touch your face. And we'll catch you guys next time. Gotta give it all that extra air in there, you know? So, you know, it looks like a penis. That's Boba, man.